Goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Rigathi wa Gachagua nionetie Ruto ati ena hinya muingi muno. Itano kau, ladies and gentlemen, hena kaundu gakoretwo gagithii na mbere muthenya wa umuthi. Kwina andu aria amwena wa Kindiki aria matapotaga thirikari ino, aria Mount Kenya, aria magitagwo Tukonia. Andu acio marauga atiriri ati Kindiki riu ni undu wa githurano kiu kia mbere North gushinda muthaire gushinda ati riu ni kingpin wa Mount Kenya region. The fact remain, Rigathi wa Gachagua is undisputed Mount Kenya kingpin. Rigathi wa Gachagua ni mwaki wa gutira haraihu, na undu ndirona ni ukuona very soon Rigathi wa Gachagua eguka neutralize by election ciothe na maundu meri kana ciugo igiri ekwaria. Andu mekuriganio ni uhoro uyu wa by election ciothe na andu maconcentrate na uhoro wa one term. Igwa Rigathi wa Gachagua akanyita microphone yo, you will see for yourself. Itanuka uhoro shida wa Gachagua na Ruto. Hena kiuria kingi andu makoretwo makiuria, a very important question, na ni undu twageirwo kurora. Rikana uhoro wa Gen Z ni ukoretwo ukigwetwo muno. Andu makoria atiriri, Gen Z akuria Bell North ni marikiria kura? Gen Z a Bell North matinaikia kura, ladies and gentlemen, tondu register iria irahuthirirwo ni register iria nguru yahuthikire mwaka wa 2022. Koguo andu aya mokite makaregister thutha uyu matinaikia kura. Honorable Jeremiah Omenep wa kule Kirinyaga augite, those asking if Gen Z voted, allow me to inform you that IEBC used the 2022 register in the just concluded by elections. Young people will have their say in 2027. Ati andu ethe magakona say yao mwaka wa 2027. So Ruto ndabatiĩ gukorwo in any way agikena, ndabatiĩ gukorwo na gikeno, ndabatiĩ kuonania atiriri aone ati tondu ni mashinda ithurano ici. And you all know the process that was followed yesterday. Maundu maria magikikire muthenya wa ira, ithurano icio citirari credible, na ikio urona timu ino ya United Opposition merite IEBC tupatane kotini ni undu wa maundu maria ndimurethaire haha gwa Kikuyu podcast. Now, Rigathi wa Gachagua nionetie Ruto ena uge munene muno. DCP ni kiama kirombirwo oro riu kina mieri 6, mieri 6 kana 7. Kiama giki ni kiahotire kuhotana ithurano 3. Kuri Magarini ni marateire, na ngumuthomera uria Rigathi wa Gachagua aritie uhoro wa Magarini kana matinona votes iria matinahotana. No Kenga ni onire kura nyingi. Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ekenete ni undu uhoro ucio muno. Reke turore ukuria thirikari itanegera election. Ta guku Kariobangi North yetike MCA kiathire na DCP. Niki tondu gutiraina na ukora muingi. Angikukora ina ukora ni kuthirwo na candidate wa DCP ndangirahotanire. Tuthi Naroko, and I'm telling you, Naroko candidate wa DCP ahotana Maskonde. Ni tondu ukoni wageretie ukorwo wikuo no matinahotana ni undu andu nao ni mayumetie kwa njira nene muno. Ni mageretie kuintimidate andu. No tondu gutia no kora muingi tole rai kuria mwena wa Bell North na rai kuria mwena wa kuruweto Malava ahotana. Kisa East candidate wa DCP ahotana. What does it tell you? Rigathi wa Gachagua niokite na hinya muingi muno. And for your information, na Rigathi wa Gachagua ohoro wa by election ici ni ekwiruta na njira ya raithi muno. Andu moka kumwira agati akamwira atiriri, ni ndirarugamite candidate kwi mwena wa Bell North, candidate wa DCP. So andu aya ni kumakiria, na warwa kuguothe gutari na ukora inde cia MCA a opposition niyo marahotanire. Ona kuria Githii ndamwire DAP no yahotania ite igiri na kuna kiama aga kuna kiama kingi kwa kahotana giti kimwe tondu kugutia no kora tondu ite iria main ciao ni kuria Malava na Mbere North. Ruto ndai na munyaka as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. Ndakoneta hotanite. Remember, I told you, Gen Z matina na matina kia kura. Tawaguo tu, they were able to control those two areas, Malava na Mbere North. Mata wikoya marekire, ne tondu ni area igire, ne matumira force yothe. Na 27 igakoa Kenya ngima. Kori ai, mundu wetwo Muthende agatigwe nyike ikire campaign. Uyu mundu wako ugiconcentrate nake. Na kuria guothe kungi mundu agatigwe nyiki ikire campaign. Hau niho mukona bivu na mbichi. Remember kuna andu methainie wa salary kana andu amandikitwo. Na uli makoni still Ruto moto kubwa. So he has no reason ya gukenerera by election ishi. Mothe yoni akiwa sijui jana mnakumbuka kulikuwa na by election, hawa majamaa sijui ni waangusha. We know what happened. Elections were not free and fair. That's why watu wenyu walichukua. It wasn't free and fair. Kuna maundu maingi muno meyumiririe. Goons, haro, aji, IEBC imenyamaza, aji. Now, ketuthie kuria mwena wa Magarini, Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ekite uria ni agathiririe candidate uyu muno wa kuria Magarini, mundu ugwitwo Karis Kenga. Karis Kenga ni ararugamite na giti kia DCP, nake ni aronania atiriri no ahotane na njira imwe nene muno. Uyu niguo Rigathi wa Gachagua augite na akera Karis Kenga tondu ni amugathiririe na njira nene muno ni ndu akoreire onire. Rigathi wa Gachagua augite o, congratulations Honorable Stanley Karis Kenga, our candidate in Magarini, for a such strong showing. Gachagua kede akauga, for a new party, DCP party with no previous in-laws in Coast region, a credible second is more than acceptable. Kenga ni arokire wa keri mundu wa mbere ari wa ODM. This now gives an entry into the Coast region. I'll be in the course over the holiday season to meet possible aspirant and establish party offices. Well done, Stanley. We are proud of you. Nigatha wa Gachagua kuga atiriri, ni kuingira kuria mwena wa Coast region, na aingira kuria Coast region ni kuhingura office toro uguo tu ni gwetha aspirant aria makenda kurugama na DCP. As we speak, United Opposition ni mafati manyitane na njira nene muno. And uria kuri tha ici United Opposition, they did very well. Thirikari angĩkorwo ndĩnahũthĩra hinya wa borithi na goons ithurano ici ciothe, United Opposition nĩ ĩkĩroire Malava na Mbere North, no itũĩ ũrĩa kũrathiĩ na mbere ciothe gwĩkũrĩa magoti-inĩ. Reke twete tuone magoti-inĩ maitũ ũrĩa megwĩka. Namwe ũhoro wa kũrĩa mwena wa Mbere North, rĩtwa rĩa Muthende, rĩu ke twetere tuone ũrĩa matu marĩa mekwea. Kuri Wave Podcast, mwone manyu mreko inywe mwanate. Thank you, God bless you guys. It is what it is, kwani iko nini? Thank you, God bless you.